Hey everyone, welcome back to BackTech Product, your trusted source for the best tech reviews. Today, we're checking out the best video capture card, perfect for gamers, streamers, and content creators. Stick around for the features, pros, cons, and our final verdict. Let's get started. Product features: superior image quality. The Llano capture card supports 4K at 60 Hz and features HDR 12-bit color depth, delivering crisp visuals with stunning detail and vibrant color reproduction. This makes it ideal for high-end video production and professional live streaming. High refresh rate and smooth performance. One of the standout features is its support for up to 240 Hz refresh rates with VRR. This means ultra-smooth performance with reduced image tearing and lag, especially critical for gamers who demand fluid and responsive gameplay capture. Versatile use cases. Whether you're a gamer, live streamer, or e-commerce seller, the Llano capture card caters to a wide range of needs. It works seamlessly with major gaming consoles, streaming software, and video production setups. Use it to record gameplay, conduct live tutorials, or even showcase products during a live stream. Enhanced e-commerce experience. For online sellers and influencers, this card offers a distinct edge. Its high-definition RGB image format enhances the visual appeal of your products during live showcases, leading to more professional presentations and potentially higher sales conversions. Real-time streaming plus recording. You can stream and record simultaneously, a critical feature for content creators. Whether you're broadcasting to Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Live, or other platforms, the Llano card helps you maintain professional-level quality without the need for extra hardware. Pros: crystal clear 4K 60 capture with HDR. High refresh rate, up to 240 Hz for smooth gaming visuals. Supports VRR, no screen tear. Perfect for gamers, streamers, and e-commerce presentations. Plug-and-play operation with broad device compatibility. Simultaneous streaming and recording capability. Compact and sleek design for portable setups. Cons: may be overkill for casual users or basic streaming setups. Requires a powerful PC for full 4K at 240 Hz utilization. Higher price point compared to entry-level capture cards. Final thoughts. If you're looking for the best video capture card in 2025 that delivers on image quality, performance, and versatility, the Llano video capture card is a top contender. It's especially great for those who need pro-level capture for gaming, content creation, or product showcases. From flawless 4K 60 video to ultra-smooth 240 Hz gaming streams, this card packs serious power. While it might not be necessary for beginners, serious streamers and professionals will appreciate the investment. So if you're ready to elevate your content or gameplay streaming, this is a product worth considering. Check the price in the link below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to BackTech Products for more honest tech reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.